Hello everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. Today we have a 1987 Ford Mustang GT. Beautiful red color. It's got a great sound. It's got the black rims, black top, black interior. Just a great car. Fun car to drive around. It's manual, so it's got a great feel to it. It is quick. Let's check out the inside here. Got a black leather interior. Everything holds up very well. It is in a convertible, so you can drive the top down, meet some people at the lights, take them for a little run. Let's take a look in here at the dash. Beautiful car. Here, let's hear her start up real quick. Oh yeah. Now let's take a look under the hood. What's going on, Al?
It's got us a little Fox-body here with a little bit of power. You know, it's a decent riding car, Mark. It's got a couple little, odds and ends, like the sun visor right here, not fitting well, but
Okay.
just a couple little things like that. Paint's decent on the car. It's been repainted, and whoever did it did a 6.5, 7 job on it. Runs really good though. Power windows work, go up and down all 4 windows. She does not have air conditioning, but you really can't buy a golf cart, Mark, for the kind of money you can buy this car for. Anyway, so if you take it down the road, the car goes down the road nice and straight. She shifts out really good. All the gauges work. Got a little bit of balls too, if you can see that. Third gear really good, shifting her out. Steering wheel nice and strong. No real wobble in the brakes. Just a good car to, putts on, put a couple things back together, but not spend a whole bunch of money to have an old classic out there.
Absolutely. She's got a nice sound to her.
Yeah, she does. She really does. The car shifts out really good too.
Yeah.
And obviously having a stick shift in one of these cars makes it a lot more, fun to drive as a little bit of a race car.
Absolutely.
So we
Get
got
up
her
and
here.
go.
We'll spin her around after the traffic clears, and we'll get her up onto the hoist and show you the underneath.
All right. Sounds good.
It?
Yeah, it sounds really good. All right, here we go with the GT up on the lift. Let's take a look underneath. Pretty good shape overall. Nice and clean. Everything is well treated. As you saw and heard, it's got a nice purr to it. Drives well, and this is just one of those cars that can be an everyday cruiser, feel good jumping off the line, and having fun in. Give us a call, email us, shoot us a text, any way to get a hold of us. Let us know if you'd like to take this for a ride or do a live interview with it. All right, thank you.